Hi, I'm David. So today we're going to take a look at this cordless orbital sander from Parkside. So it might look like I'm sponsored by Parkside, but I'm not. It's just the stuff so such a good price, I can't resist it. So yeah, we're going to look at this orbital sander. I've had it for a while, sitting down here, so it's a bit dusty, but I haven't had it out yet. So we're going to take a look at that. So this was really good price as well, but this doesn't come with the battery. So it works with the X-Team batteries, the 20 volt X-Team batteries that you get from Parkside, works with them. So just take note that you could probably possibly get this same model with the battery, but anyway, this one that I got isn't with a battery. So I picked it up because I always like to have spares, because orbital sanders I seem to get through quite a lot. So this was bargain price. You know, I bought it with my own money, and yeah, I don't mind if it doesn't last too long, because it was such a good price. If I just get a bit of use out of it, it'll be good. So in the blow molded case, got the sander itself, got a dust collector there. I find that most dust collectors are no use at all. So we've got that with a Velcro base pad. Got some sanding discs that are a variety of grits: 240, 120, 80 and a 60. Got the instructions. We've got that, whatever it is. We'll have to find out. And an adapter. So that's all there is in there. Right, so this model, let's have a look, check you can see. So it's there, a PAEXS 20 LI-B2, their unit. So yeah, of course you need a battery and a charger. So, sanding disc, what is it? Yeah, 125mm one. So for 125mm sanding discs. Velcro backed sanding discs. 20 volt. Adjustable handle here. Yeah, they're all pretty much the same. There's not a lot to them. So on there we have the adjustable speed control, so you can speed it up, slow it down. The on off button up the top there. Let's have a look at this dust collector. Does it just pull off? It has got a lock and unlock mark on there. So do a twist that, yeah. Twist it to the unlock and then maybe it'll pull off. Don't know if that was supposed to come off or the whole thing. Oh yeah, the whole thing does come off if you really yank it. Does that fit on there? Yep, just on the end bit there, so you can have your extraction hose on there, to your extractor, dust extractor. So under here is where the battery is going to slide. You can lock your handle wherever you need it, but yeah, that's really all there is to it. It's got rubber on there for grip. It's supposed to cut down the vibration to your hand and to give you a bit of grip, but I think you'll get more grip than anything else. So I'll get out a battery and we'll take a look at it. So I've got these batteries that are 4 amp hour. Yeah, 4 amp hour ones that are pretty, the thick heavy ones, just to last a bit longer. So it will fit them, and just the normal 20 volt 2 amp hour batteries. Yeah. So of course these slide into there onto them pegs, can't get it wrong, and just slide it in till it clicks on. All the way like that. It's not too, not really too out of balance or anything. I know there, like in the middle of between the battery, it's balanced there, so it's not too, it's not trying to balance tip over. That's probably why they've got it like that. But yeah, really you're going to be holding it there where it slims down, or over the top of there like that. Put that on, find the side of this that's got the line on it for when it lines up to this. Yeah, it's got, there's little peg bits on the side inside there to make sure you've got to line them up with the groove that's on there. Push it on and then turn it to lock it, so then hopefully the vibration won't make him drop off. So I've got some lacquered softwood there, so that's been spray lacquered by the looks of it, and this is a bit of pallet wood. Okay, so let's see how this dust collector bag, how good it is. I don't think it'll be very good. Turn that up. How many coats of lacquer that's got on, but it's taking some getting off. I have fetched it off there. Let me just put that aside a minute. Let's see how much dust is coming off this. So I think 60 was the highest, yeah, highest grade. Too bad dust wise actually at the minute, but at the minute you can hear the speed. Let's see if changing the battery to a 4 amp hour will change the speed up a bit. So this is flat out if you listen to it. So that's with that battery. Let's just change it to the bigger. See if it just stays the same. So, I am getting dust in the air, as you would expect. So look, from that, just using that, so you're better off fitting an extractor on. So we'll just stick the extractor on this now. If you've wondered where I've been lately, I've still been mucking around with my bikes. I think I've finished with my bikes now, they're all done and nice. So hopefully there'll be about more, but I always say that. Then when I get home from work on a night and it's getting dark and cold, you know, it's just sometimes hard to bring yourself out to get motivated at this time of year. It's okay once got the fire going, but it takes quite a while to get it to heat up in here. So yeah, like we've seen, that does increase the speed a bit if you use a 4 amp hour one rather than a 2 amp hour 20 volt battery. The model number of this battery is a PAP20A1. That's what that is. And this one is, the 4 amp hour one, is a PAP20A3. So put that on and try this. Put extraction on that. As you would expect, it works loads better with a dust vac. Let's find out what this mystery piece is. 15. It's a sanding sheet fixer. I didn't know you could get a sanding sheet fixer. So what that's going to do then is make sure you get your holes lined up, at least well-ish. But like that, I just line them up as best you can when you put them on. Yeah, never seen one of them before. So just place that on some holes on there, and then put that at the couple of holes there, and then you can press it down. Yeah, that lines it up no better than me doing it freehand, because the size of these pins on there are quite big to that, quite small to that hole, so there's a lot of play there and there's a lot of play in there. So really only time will tell whether this would be a good investment or not. It feels pretty good. Like I say, the balance feels better than I thought it would. So the only disadvantages with this pack that I got is that you don't get any battery charger or any batteries. So from Lidl, if you're ever walking around Lidl and ever come across this, that at least gives you an idea of what you're getting, you know, whether to bother buying it or not. I hope the video was of some use to you, and if you like the video, if you could give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to In the Workshop, it'd be great if you could follow along. Or you don't even have to follow along. It'd be just great if you could subscribe. Whether you watch it or not, it all helps. And it helps my channel. And all there is to say is thank you. Take care, and I'll see you next time in the workshop.